we are seeing a host of legal issues emerge from the transportation of these immigrants to Martha's Vineyard. First of all, it really is a state like Florida or Texas trying to implement its own immigration policies and procedures that is unconstitutional. The federal government has exclusive authority over immigration. Some of the immigrants who were shipped to Martha's Vineyard have immigration court hearings and appointments and check-ins scheduled as early as Monday in places like Miami, like San Antonio, Texas, places that are thousands of miles away, where they were moved from, really in an effort to defeat their immigration claims, to make it harder for them to go through the immigration process. Many of them arrived in Martha's Vineyard not only needing food and shelter, but needing emergency medical services. Children being rushed to the hospital because they were left unattended in Florida and Texas. This is cruel and inhumane. There is an immigrant in Martha's Vineyard right now who survived significant violence, including the removal of teeth, and he needed to be hospitalized today. It is completely a deprivation of their human rights to transport them while visibly and noticeably injured. This is just inhumane. The basis for their transportation to Martha's Vineyard was that they were going to arrive at a place where jobs and housing was readily available. Nothing could be further from the truth. No arrangements had been prepared for them. The immigrants arrived and they were left to their own devices. They were really tossed on the street. And it is incredible that the Martha's Vineyard community has come together to support them, provide them with shelter, provide them with food, provide them with support. We are exploring civil and criminal legal avenues to hold the perpetrators and the states accountable. Florida, Texas cannot ship people, drop them on the street unattended, including children as young as 4 and 5 years old, without any support structure.